Next, let's investigate the setting in which we have multiple data types, including text data, numerical data, and categorical data. Actually, this is very common in real-world applications because usually text data won't appear alone. Text data are usually mixed with other common data types like numerical data and categorical data. Thus, in the text prediction task, we handle this case. So, let's see an example. So here, for this example, we will reuse the semantics textual similarity dataset that we have used. First, we load the dataset, and we can see that there are 4 columns: the sentence 1, sentence 2, genre, and score. We can find that for sentence 1, sentence 2, these 2 are text columns. For genre, it's a categorical column, and for score, it's a numerical column. So for this dataset, it contains all 3 types of columns that we are interested in. Next, let's try to predict the score with sentence 1 plus sentence 2 plus genre, so that we are predicting a numerical column with 2 text columns plus 1 categorical column. Let's see how to do this with the text prediction task. In fact, it's very straightforward. We can just need to call task.fit, and we specify label equals to score, and it will automatically use the 3 other columns as a feature column to predict the label. And internally, it will pass the content of the general column and figure out that it's a categorical column with categories equal to 3 possibilities: main captions, main forums, and main news. So after calling the fit, we will train the model, and due to the time limit, these are trained already, and this is the final training result. And then we can evaluate the model. We calculate IMSE, Spearman's correlation, Pearson's correlation, and these are the results. In addition, we can also train a model that predicts the genre with the other columns by specifying label equals to genre. In that case, it's 2 text column plus 1 numerical column to a categorical column. So this is the training curve. And we also evaluate the accuracy, and for this task, it achieves 83% accuracy. So what's happening inside? Internally, there are different subnetworks that handles different data types. That is the text net, which is based on the pre-trained model, the categorical net, which is some embedding plus MLP, and the numerical net. And these networks will extract features separately, and these features are combined via an aggregation network.